Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with the Triumph T100C, which is one of our competitions on our website. We're going to do a startup video. As you can see, it's cold. I haven't started it today, so I'm going to take you through the procedure. First of all, we need to switch the fuel on. We've got a tap here and a tap on the other side. We need to tickle both of the carbs to prime them with fuel. This particular bike does have an ignition switch as well, which is behind the carbs on the toolbox area, and that is down here, which is already on. So after you've given it a good tickle, you just need to give it a good kick and hopefully she'll start. There's no choke, so the tickling is really important. It sounds really good with these TT pipes. Warm her up a bit more. So if you do fancy a ticket, they're £2.99. You can go to the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If this bike is no longer up for a raffle, I've got lots of nice bikes like this, so please do check it out. And thank you for entering and good luck.